Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet. On my channel we do makeup, skincare, hair, lifestyle channel, so you have a little bit of everything here. Just trying to do my best and review stuff for you guys. That's something that I love and I'm passionate about. So today's video is gonna be an amazing video, and this video is so long overdue. I'm so sorry, Laura Mercier. Love you guys. Sorry for taking a little long, but my life has been a little, all over the place lately. A lot of stress. So today we're gonna do Laura Mercier try on haul. So I create this little look here. It's a nude flowerless look, so using all the Laura Mercier products. So and I'm gonna be revealing beautiful lip liner. Here has some of the shades of swatch, mascara. So please, if you're not subscribed yet, join me. Just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Stay in the like. Say thank you so much for my return subscriber. Love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back to support me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. I'm so sorry if I'm not a little more present on YouTube than I should, but it just at this time life is not letting me, a lot of stress. So let's forget about me and let's jump into this video. Started this Laura Mercier try on haul. So I'm super excited. I've been with this product for so long to film, but unfortunately lately I've been so busy and so many things happen that I don't have time for. So I have my face a little prepped. The only thing that I don't have, I have my brows done and I have some foundation done, because we're not going to be trying foundation today. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the glow setting powder that we're gonna try now. We're gonna be trying this. We're gonna also be trying the Laura Mercier Caviar mascara and Caviar stick eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow. It's so easy. It's great on the go. So we're gonna be trying these two lippy sets. I have a nude one and a red one that we're going to be trying. Probably gonna be trying the nude one. This body butter duo. This is Laura Mercier body lotion, and this lotion is so good. I have used them before and they smell like heaven. If you ever try it, you get a little sample try, you're gonna fall in love, so be careful. It's really nice, it's really good. Some of Laura Mercier blushes. I shared with you guys in another video here some of the blush, and we're gonna open one by one so we can see the shades. They look amazing. It's so pretty. You guys know I have a red one here that I'm crazy about it, so we're going to be swatch these two. Lip liner that we're also going to be trying, and we have here some VELOUR Extreme Matte lipstick. Also have here the traditional Laura Mercier translucent powder that I love, but I love both. Now depends of the day. If I want a more matte finish, I like the original, and if I'm going to more like a glowy day, then I go to the glow powder. Oh, this powder is amazing. Alright, so first let's start with the glow powder, and this little set here is so pretty and come with the glow powder mini brush. I have there like the regular size big brush, and this set come looking like this, and here is the mini brush. I just love how soft it is, and the shape of the brush too. It's really nice how actually hug the face. So let me add, I have a mirror down here that I'm gonna be looking at, so let's try a little bit of this glow powder. And for foundation I use Laura Mercier Lumiere foundation. Alright, and this powder is really good. It's as good as the regular one. The only difference is this one gives you like a kind of beautiful glow and sheen to the skin, and another one is more matte finish, so I definitely recommend this. My lips is dry and in need of something. Alright, so before I apply the lip liner, I'm gonna just apply a little bit of this Flowerless Skin Rose Infusion Lip Nourish Balm from Laura Mercier too, and I have these so many years. Alright, so now we can go in with the lip liner. Alright, so this is how the lip liner actually look in the lips. and this is Baby Lips. I will link below the link for this for you guys. And now we're going to try the lipstick that comes with. Here is the shade, and this shade is called New Préféré. It's a beautiful nude and right up my alley because you guys know I love a good nude. So beautiful. Ugh, stunning. So we're gonna link the link below for these two for you guys. And now let's get this face. Let's try the eyeshadow and the mascara. The mascara you guys saw it on this channel before. I love this mascara. It's the Caviar mascara. This one you guys saw it here too. I use here. This is in rose gold caviar stick. So I'm just gonna get a eyeshadow brush because I like to lay down and then just fade away with the brush, so it gives like a nice seamless look. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to apply to my eyelid, and then I'm just gonna buff it out with shadow brush. I like right away after I apply, just go in with, and that's so beautiful, so pretty. Just so beautiful and natural. Love, 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 love. Alright, so now what we're going to do, I'm just going to warm this up a little bit with some brown matte eyeshadow. So just give a little bit of a lift on the eye. Yeah. You see how lift the eyes? Let's open up. Alright, that's it for the eyeshadow. Now let's go in with the mascara. I'm so excited for this mascara. I can't wait for you guys to see how amazing it looks. Alright, so let's now see a serious before and after with mascara. This mascara is really amazing. So you guys can see it closer. So let's do the other side now. That's pretty. Alright, so now let's try this blush. Look how beautiful this blush is. This one is in the shade Strawberry. It's really pretty, pink. So I have here this beautiful Laura Mercier color cheek color brush. This blush is so, one thing I love about the brush is so fluffy, so soft. So let's try this. I'm gonna go very slow because you know I like to build up the blush. Very nice, very easy to work with. It's not over pigmented. Very nice. So this blush, the color is Strawberry. This is the Color Infusion blush from Laura Mercier, and works wonder. I'm gonna swatch some of the lipstick for you guys, and this is another blush color. This one is in the color Peach. It's really gorgeous. It's really a peachy shade, like give you like a coral kind of salmon vibe. Very pretty. Next here we have Fresco blush. Very pretty, and this color can go with a lot of different look because it's more like a neutral blush. That's called Sangria. I'm excited for this color because I did not have it. Alright, so let's try this one. It's called Rose Decadent. This is the shade. Oh my god, look at this shade, guys. Look at this shade, how beautiful it is. Rose Decadent. It's very beautiful. It's like a breed in between a red and a pink, I would say. That makes sense. I don't know, but Rose Decadent, it's really beautiful. Rose Roach. Wow, that color is so amazing. Gosh. This is so creamy, so rich. It's amazing. So this shade is called Rose Roach. So the next shade here we have Function Intense. Ooh. Yeah, this is definitely a Function. Wow, so creamy, so beautiful. Really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see really good in the camera the shades, because my monitor for my camera is tiny, so I can see there, but not as good as I'm seeing now. So I will also swatch the one that I'm using. The color on my lips looks a little bit dark because I have the lip liner with, so I'm going to swatch the lip liner too. So the lip liner that I have here is Baby Lips. Look how pretty it is. This red, oh my gosh. Beautiful. This shade here is called Rogue Mutant. Beautiful. And the lip liner is Crimson. I'm not sure if that's how I say right, but I'm trying. That's how pretty they are. And I'm also going to swatch the eyeshadow for you guys, and this is the Rose Gold stick. I'll put her up here. This is how beautiful that is. Can you see? Now what else we're gonna swatch? Swatch the Plumberry lip liner. Beautiful. And these lip liner, guys, you can use them under your lipstick, or you can use them by itself. What I like to do sometimes is just really line my lips and then just add a little bit of lip oil or a lip balm or something, and just look so beautiful too. So you don't have to use only on the lipstick. Dominant. Ooh, this one is the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick from Laura Mercier, and that's the shade. Look how beautiful these shades, my gosh. Click. Also the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. Ooh, this color is beautiful. Lord have mercy. Really pretty. Look how beautiful. So many beautiful reds. One is the shade Fab Grow. That shade speak to me. Oh my god, this is a pink, a fuchsia kind of pink, stunning. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of my younger sister. She loves pink. Bottom one looks so pretty. Okay, now for the Velour lipstick. Last but not least, this shade is Bringing It. Ooh, Bringing It. Oh, another pink. Gorgeous, stunning, very beautiful. All the shades are stunning. For a girl like me that dig the pinks, reds, girl, this is beautiful. Bringing It. Amazing, fabulous. You know, I can't say enough how much I love them and how amazing they are. And the mascara too, it's really amazing. You know, Laura Mercier product is definitely one of the best high-end products out there. They do such a fabulous job with everything, not only with the makeup but with the skincare too. If you guys try any of this skincare, you're gonna fall in love. I remember my first time that I got, I think for Christmas from my husband years and years ago, rose infusion kit that comes the lip thing, the facial wash, and the jar of moisturizer. I was so in love. Translucent powder, first time that I tried, I fell in love with, and this is many years ago. Let's not go there, okay? That's classified information. All right, so the next thing that I have here is this amazing duo of body lotion, and I'm gonna tell you guys because I did open them before. So here's the duo, and because I have to smell everything, you know, that's me. Sorry. And I smell them. These smells so amazing. This one is almond and coconut milk. girl, anything that have coconut milk or honey in, I love it. And this smells so good. And if you see, it's a good thick consistent, you know, it's not like a runny cream. So you can see that's really give you like, it's a body butter like feel that's really gonna get in there, nourish and hydrate your skin. I didn't have nothing on my skin, so I could show you guys how the skin looks soft and amazing. So this one is Ambre Vanilla. Oh, it's so nice too. And the one thing also that I love about this body butter is a little bit goes a long way. You guys saw that I put just one little one tiny bit here, and that was enough for my whole, you know, full arm. So that's one thing that I love product like that. And you guys can see that automatically nourish, and the skin looks so velvet and luxurious. So this is all for this Laura Mercier haul. I like to say thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for being so nice and sending me this PR package. I love you guys to the moon back. Your product always been one of my favorite. Not only the makeup like I mentioned, but the skincare, the body care product. You guys are fabulous. Thank you. I'm gonna link the link here on my video description of all the products that I used today, and for the amazing lippy and lip liners. And if you guys have any question about anything, about any of the product, please drop the comment below, and as soon as I see it, I will come with all my heart and love and answer, because you guys know that's my pleasure, reviewing stuff and sharing with you guys my thoughts. So thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if the video was a little bit too long. Love you guys. See you next